Okay, so to balance this redox reaction, the first thing that you need to do is identify all the oxidation numbers so you can split it into the oxidation half and the reduction half. So oxygen is -2, which makes that a -8. So manganese has to be +7, and the bromide is -1. And over here, manganese is +2, and then oxygen over here is still -2. So then if that's -6, then that makes bromine +5. So then you can easily split it up into the oxidation half reaction and the reduction half reaction. Okay, so for oxidation half, we're looking at a bromide ion because it goes from a -1 over here to a +5. So Br minus goes to BrO3 minus. And for our reduction half, manganese goes from +7 to +2, so it's being reduced. So that's MnO4 minus goes to Mn2 plus. Okay, so we check first to make sure all of our other elements are balanced. The bromines are balanced, and so are the manganese. So now we move on to oxygen. There are 3 oxygens here, so we need to add 3 waters on that side. That gives us 6 hydrogens, so we add 6 hydrogen ions here. And then now all of that is balanced, all my oxygens, all my hydrogens, all my bromines, so now I have to balance the charge. Total charge over here is -1, and the total charge over here is a +5, but we need it to be -1. So we have to add 6 electrons. And now those two cancel each other out. 6 pluses and 6 minuses, so that's 0. So it's -1 and -1. So that one's balanced. Okay, down here we have 4 oxygens. So we need to add 4 waters over here. And that gives us 8 hydrogens. So we add 8 hydrogen ions on that side. Total charge on this side is +2. And the total charge over here is +8 minus 1, which is a +7. So we add 5 electrons here. Unfortunately, in this case, this one has 6 electrons coming out and only 5 electrons going in, which means we're going to have to multiply the entire top reaction by 5 and the entire bottom reaction by 6 to get them both to 30. So we're going to multiply this. This becomes 15. This is a 5. This becomes a 5. This one is 30, and this one is also 30. And then this one, this becomes 30, and this becomes 48, 6, 6, and 24. And now you cancel out, before you add them together, you cancel out anything that is the exact same on both sides, so we can simplify it quite a bit. Obviously, we get rid of the 30 electrons. Here we have 15 waters, and here we have 24. So we can get rid of all 15 of these, and then this becomes 9. And over here we have 48 hydrogens, and here's 30 hydrogens. So we get rid of all 30 of those, and then what's left over here is 18. And then you add the 2 half reactions together to get a total of 18 hydrogen ions plus 6 permanganate plus 5 bromide goes to 6 manganese plus 5 bromate plus 9 waters. Whoops. And then you check everything. 18 hydrogens here, 18 hydrogens here, 6 manganese, 6 manganese, 24 oxygens, 15 plus 9 more is 24 oxygens, 5 bromines, then you add up the charge. 18 minus 6 minus 5 is 7 plus, and over we have 12 minus 5, which is also 7 plus. So everything is balanced, and that one is done.